Hi all, welcome to Salesforce Talks. In today's video, we are going to see about a new data type called address. You might aware about the Salesforce releases. Salesforce Winter 23 release recently went live. In Winter 23 release, Salesforce has introduced a new custom field data type called address. Okay, so this is the release notes. If you want to read about more information, you can go to the Winter 23 release notes, and in the left hand side, if you search for custom address, you will get the release notes link. As well as we have a Salesforce article link. I will share the link in the video description as well. If you want to watch this video in Tamil, I have provided the video link in the description as well as in the video. Okay. So in this video, I will show you how to enable this custom address data type. So by default, this will not be enabled in your org. You need to enable it manually. Then only you can use this address data type in your objects. Okay. So this is one of my development org. So here I have an object called employees. So as of now, if you want to store any address information, we have created the fields manually. Like this is a text area and this is the pick list fields, country and state. So we need to create a pick list fields and we need to manually provide the values for country, state, and we need to set up the field dependencies. For example, if you want to display the states according to the country mean, you need to set up the field dependencies, but you don't have to do these works in if you are going to use the Salesforce address data type. Okay, so I will show you first. If you want to enable the new data type, you need to go to the setup, go to user interface. So under the user interface section, if you scroll down, here you can see an option called the user interface. Click here, and in the options, if you scroll down, here we can see an option called use custom address fields. Okay, so once you enable this option, you will not be able to disable it. So uh, go through these feature limitations before you enable it. So if you in your org, if you're using multiple languages, so you need to verify some things. Okay, so go through these feature limitations, and also this standard states and countries fields will be having all the list of countries. So if you want to if you don't want to display all the countries, and if you want to display only the some listed some limited country values in your address field, means you can configure the country values before enabling it. Okay, you can click this link as well to go to the state and country pick list values, or from the setup you can type states, country, territory pick list. So this is the option. So here click on the first option, configure state countries. Okay, so here if you scroll down, you can see it is having all the country values. So as of now, it is not ordered in a alphabetical order. So click on the country to order it, and then you can see there are many countries in the letter of A itself. So I'm going to display only few countries in the A. I'm going to remove other countries. So these countries I don't want to display. So I'm removing these values: Afghanistan, Kenya, Algeria. So in the A letter, I'm going to display only Australia and Austria. So I have removed other values. So similar to that, you need to go through the entire list and you need to remove the unwanted country values for your application. Okay. So once you're done, click save. Changes are done. Again, go to the user interface section. So here I'm going to enable the option now, use custom fields. Click save. Yeah. Go to this section again and verify whether it is enabled. Yeah, it is enabled. As I told you, once you enable it, you will not be able to disable it. Okay, let's go to our object. So this is the employee object. So I am going to create a new field with the new data type. So go to the object, click edit object. This is our employee object. Go to fields and relationship and click new. So here, this is the usual data types will be displayed. If you scroll down, you can see the new data type that you enabled, address. Okay, so choose this address data type, click next, provide a name for your field, new address, click next, next, save. That's it. We have created a field with address data type. Yeah, you can see here, new address, and the data type is address. Okay, if you go to your application, I have used dynamic forms in this object, so it will not be reflected automatically. If you have not used dynamic forms, if you refresh or log in, log out and log in, the new field will be displayed. Okay, so as I have enabled dynamic forms, I need to add the new field manually. So go to setup, click edit page. This is the lightning page. So here, click on the field section, scroll down. So this is the new field we created. Drag it, and I'm adding it below the employee ID field. Click save. If you don't know what is dynamic forms, why it is used means, I have uh, posted another video for dynamic forms itself. I will provide the video link in the description as well as in the video. Please watch it. It is also one of the useful feature in the Salesforce. Now go back. So here you can see the new field is displayed here, new address. So if we click edit, you can see it is having many options. We created only one field with address data type, but inside you can see there are many options to choose country, street, city, postal code, and then state. Okay, so these many sections are created by default. Okay, so here if you click on the country, you can see in the A letter, only Australia and Austria are displayed. We removed the other values, right? So that's why it is displaying only two values. So if you scroll down, there are many values are available. For example, if you go to United States, and if you go to the state, you can see the field dependency is already in place. You can see it is displaying only the states from United States. If I choose United Kingdom, it's not available. So if you go to India, so here you can see all the states from India are displayed. Okay, so I'm going to I'm storing a value in this address. Click save. So here you can see once you provided the value and save the record, it is displayed as a hyperlink. So if you click on this value, it will automatically redirect to the Google map with that particular location. So I have provided my location as Sirisari and Chennai city, right? So it automatically redirected to the Google map for the Sirisari location. That is also a cool feature. Okay, thank you.